everyone, it's Wendy Achatz, and I'm in the Armada Pie shop today. I'm going to show you a couple of the things that every one of our new team members must learn the first week that they're here with us. We're going to pipe on some whipped cream. I'm going to show you some different techniques for that. And I'm also going to show you how we make the big billowy chocolate curls for our chocolate cream pie. And a little later, as people get a little more experienced, then we start getting a little more creative, and I'm going to show you what we do there with the chocolate. Okay, so today I have a new team member here with me that I'm training, Brooke. Hi, Brooke.
Hi.
And one of the first things that you need to learn when working one of our storefronts is how to top a pie. So that means how do we put whipped cream on top of a pie. And I'm going to show Brooke a couple of the techniques that we use when we're piping whipped cream onto a pie. So she's all set up with her parchment paper and her bag of whipped cream. I've got a practice sheet of parchment paper as well. I'm going to show her a few of the techniques, and then she's going to watch me, and then she's going to do a few of them. I don't want to walk away from her when I'm giving her good feedback. I don't want to go answer the phone, wait on a customer. I want to give her the respect that she needs in good training and give her good feedback. So, all right. So, Brooke, the first one I'm going to show you here is the starter tip. And you're going to hold your bag about 1/3 of the way down. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to hold it with my left hand, and I'm going to use my right hand to give it the pressure and release when I need to. So the start tip is merely pressure and release as you pull up. And so when we put these on a pie, of course, we put them really close together so they're touching. And we have our weights and measures. So just move a little more down into this bag. Now I want to show you the second technique is called the shell pattern. And that's where you're angling your piping bag at an angle, you're squeezing out, and then you're releasing as you're pulling back. And I'm going to try to curl up. It looks like a snail or a shell.
Okay.
And this would be the same for like cake decorating with frosting, piping with cream. You see, this one is really pretty. I think this one looks great.
Yeah.
So you're building it up, curling around it, and pulling it back, and it tapers. All right, so why don't you give that a try with either one of those patterns. So you kind of get the feel of the whipped cream. It's a lot looser than frosting.
Yeah.
So if you squeeze too hard, it's all going to come out at once. That was great. That was really nice. And once we get our technique down, we get enough practice, then we work on our speed. But for someone who's in training mode, they need to really take their time and get a lot of good practice without worrying so much on their efficiency. Okay, here I've got my pie on the scale. This happens to be a French silk. I've got it set back to 0.00, and the weight I'm going for is 0.50. So 0.50 is a half a pound exactly. So everything is weighed and measured, so we're doing it correctly. So we've put the pie on the scale, we've hit the tare button, we're back to 0, and I'm going to pipe this whipped cream onto the pie where I'm covering half of the crust and half of the pastry cream. Actually, this is a French silk, so it's not pastry cream. And I'm standing over it here. I'm able to see that I'm getting the edge all tightened up here so that no air can get onto my cream pie filling, because it will oxidize, it will harden, it's not good. So again, I'm kind of giving a different swirl. It kind of looks like the shell stitch the shell pattern that we were learning. And I'm at 0.42 right now. I don't have much more to go. And I'm going to run over. I ran over a little bit, but that's okay. So that's a perfectly topped pie. Hi, Brooke.
Hi.
And so she's going to demonstrate on how to make big, billowy chocolate curls that we use to top our cream pies, our chocolate cream pies, right?
Yep.
All right, so usually this is a new girl initiation thing because it's a hard job.
Yes, it is very hard.
Okay. So what are you doing?
So I'm going to be shaving our chocolate, and I want to get it to 0.5. We put 0.5 on every chocolate cream pie.
Okay.
And I'm trying to get big, nice curls.
Okay.
It's always easier when you have a brand new piece of chocolate, but we're working with an older one.
Okay. Yep. So you've got a knife blade there, it looks like.
Yes. I got a big knife blade.
Okay.
And this is used to scoop it in there.
Okay. So it's really important that we have this bar of chocolate at a good temperature.
Yes.
Like room temperature.
Room
If
temperature.
it comes straight out of the refrigerator, it's not good.
Nope.
It's all about pressure. I see you're putting a lot of pressure on that blade. And you're dragging it towards you.
Yep.
And you're moving it around. But if it's too freezing cold, you're just going to get little powdery
Little
shards.
ones, and we don't see, those are some littler ones.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Yeah. So it's the middle of winter here in Michigan. Probably be good if it was a little bit warmer.
Yep. And sometimes we'll even put it by the oven for a few minutes.
Okay.
To warm it up a little bit.
That's a good tip.
Yes, and it just makes the curls look a lot prettier.
So you're careful not to use your hands to directly pick these up to crumble them and crush them.
You don't want them crumbled.
Okay. So you're at 0.05, is that it?
Yep, it's 0.05.
Okay.
So these ones are done.
Okay.
Then we'll just put a tin over it.
Okay.
And another tin goes on top.
So I hope you'll join me over the next few weeks, few months here in the new year. We've got a lot more videos coming your way. I'm going to be bringing you into some of our actual classroom training. We've got some great training coming up on how to make positive changes in the workplace. 3 steps to great service, how to handle a customer complaint, how to do a great employee performance review. Just a whole bunch of good things that you'll need to learn when you go to open up your first bakery, your pie shop, your deli, your coffee shop, or your ice cream parlor, whatever you're going to be opening. So I hope you'll join me. Please hit the subscribe button now. Hit the notification bell as well so that every Wednesday you know when a new video pops up. Please share this with your friends if you felt that I brought you some information that needs to be shared. And I look forward to hearing your comments below. All right, you guys, till next time, I'll see you. Bye-bye.